right, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we have Cajun sausage and rice. That's right, good old andouille, I believe it's called. Good Cajun dish. Here's the ingredients. Go ahead, pause it if you need it. Other than that, this is super simple. Let's go, guys. All right, first things first, go ahead, get a good knife and start coining up your andouille sausage. That's right, coining. That's a pretty unique word. I think I invented it. I don't know. They look like coins. Just chop it up, guys. Chop up this. I'm cracking myself up here. I am so sorry. Go ahead, just chop up your andouille sausage. Get it ready for the next step here, guys. As you can see, you gotta take a bite. Taste testing is crucial. All right, to a Dutch oven or a pot, go ahead, get it turned up to medium heat. Go ahead, add in some olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever you prefer. Let that come up to heat. But before you do, I got to show you. I forgot to mention there's red beans in here. So rinse out the red beans and now add in your andouille sausage. That is going to be good. Let these puppies cook down. As you can see they're doing right here, just get them cooked up. They don't have to be fully cooked because this is a one-pot dish. Super simple, easy for a weeknight dinner. Just let these render down. As you can see right here, this is what you're looking for. Some people take it out right now. No, leave these in the pot, guys. That's what I'm telling you. You're busy. I'm trying to get you super simple, delicious recipes. This is the way to go. Add in your onion. That's right, one onion right here chopped. What you want to do, go ahead and then start stirring that up, guys, and cook these down until they become translucent. Turning down the heat so that way there it doesn't burn. You don't want anything to stick to the pot, guys. So go ahead and turn it down and continue to stir. Now it's time to come in with your bell pepper. Add in your greens and your reds. Get that in there. Look at it. It's looking amazing, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Stir this in here and let this cook down. You don't have to let it cook for too long because you don't want the onions to burn. Now, go ahead and get ready for the next step, guys. We're stirring this up, and what are we going to do? We're going to add in... No, I'm just kidding. We're not adding that in. We are going to add in our Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire sauce, whatever it's called, and then stir this in. That's right, guys. And now you can go ahead and add in your red beans. Oh, my God. This is smelling amazing, guys. I am not kidding you. Stir this all up, get it ready to go, and now hit this with 1 cup of white long grain rice. That's right, just get it in there. Ain't gotta be pretty. Give it a good stirring. That's right. Unlike cooking traditional white rice, where it's 1 cup rice, 2 cups water, we are gonna go ahead and hit this with 3/4 cups of a cold water. Add that in, add your salt. You're going to follow that up with some Cajun seasoning. That's right. And some Old Bay. Get that in there, guys. Yes, this is amazing. Amazing. And don't forget the smoked paprika, as always. Kind of did it out of order, but you got the point. It's in the list of ingredients. Give this a good stirring and taste test. Super important. As you can tell, it's ready to go. Add in some butter just so it melts down and gives it a creamy texture, I guess. And look at this. After about 20 minutes, this is going to be ready to go. Not quite. Not quite. You're going to want to taste it. Not all of the rice will be ready. Maybe yours will. It all depends on cooking time and heat temperatures. I had to cook mine for an additional 5 minutes. And look at this. Fluffy rice. The beans are cooked. The andouille sausage is great. The seasonings has been incorporated into this dish and leaving you with something that everybody's going to enjoy. But as always, taste test this. Add what you need to, but mine was good to go. And there you go. Plate it up with some green beans and some biscuits. And I cannot wait to enjoy. No. Son of a gun. There we go. She took it again. Thank you as always, guys, for watching Cooking Time with Johnny, the home of simple, fun, delicious recipes with a country twist. Thank you for liking and subscribing. And we'll see you in the kitchen next time.